Is fear stopping you from showing up on video? Let's change that. I know how scary it is to hit record. What if people judge you? What if you mess up? But the reality is that video is the fastest way to grow your business and to connect with your audience. So it's time to push past fear. If fear has ever held you back from creating video, drop a me in the comments. I'd love to hear what's holding you back. Let's talk about the truth about video fear and how to reframe it. Fear is normal. Everybody starts off nervous. Even the top video creators started scared. They were nervous too. Your message matters. Think of those who really truly need to hear what you have to say instead of worrying about being judged. Is better than perfect. Perfectionism is actually just fear in disguise. So take messy action. You will get better the more you do it. Here's some simple video ideas to start with, even if you're nervous. Do a brief intro video. Tell who you are, what you do, who you serve in about 30 seconds. Behind the scenes. Show a sneak peek of your business process or your workshop. Let people get a little look on the inside. Answer common questions. Share answers to frequently asked questions from your audience. It feels more natural. Here's some confidence hacks to get over camera shyness. Use a script or bullet points. It helps keep you organized and it helps stop you from rambling on. Start with stories. People connect to stories and it just feels a little more natural and easier for you. Practice on stories first. Instagram and Facebook stories disappear in 24 hours, so it's a low pressure way to start. Join Mark Harbert's Fearless Video Challenge and start showing up confidently for your business. This challenge will help you practice, push past the fear, and build the video habit. Comment below your biggest fear about video and let's work through it together. And don't forget to grab your free PDF, The Top 5 Confidence Hacks for Business Success, inside my Facebook group. Click the link below to join.